Yes, good evening, students.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, 1 or 2 minutes, students. I'll start class. Yes, students. You got. I think last class I'll give one homework problem, students. ಮಾಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ?
Yes, sir.
Okay, only 1 minute, students. I'll start class. Yes, students. Take one next one question, students. If the third and ninth terms of an AP, if the third and ninth terms of an AP, student, right question. If the third and ninth term of an AP are 4 and minus 8, 4 and minus 8 respectively, 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of this AP is 0? Which term of this AP is 0? Which term of this AP is 0?
Sir, once more, sir.
Once again repeat, student, question. If the third and ninth terms, third and ninth terms of an AP are 4 and minus 8, 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of this AP is 0? Which term of this AP is 0? Okay, students. See, this one is what question. 2 minutes. Listen here, students. Simple concept, student. Student, third and ninth term. Student, third term, it is denoted by A3. Student, A3 equals how much is given? 4. Student, and ninth term. Student, ninth term, it is denoted by A9. Student, ninth term equals how much is given? Minus 8. Student, third term value is given, ninth term value is given. If I know which term is equal to 0. A simple way, student. Last class ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರೆಯೋದು. A3 equals what, student?
8 2.
A plus
A plus 2D.
good. A plus 2D. Student A9. A9 equals
A plus
A
8D.
plus 8D.
A plus 8D equals minus 8. Yes, friends, see this one is what first equation. See this one is what second equation. Do subtraction, students. I will take first bigger value. A plus 8D equals minus 8. And A plus 2D equal 4. Student, sign changes, student. Here plus is there, you take minus. Here plus is there, you take minus. Here plus is there, you take minus. Student, plus A minus A get cancelled. Remaining student, 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 equals what? 6D.
6D.
Very good. Help us, student. Minus 8 minus 4.
Minus 12.
Minus 12. Yes, student. D equal minus 12 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6 twos are. I think D equal minus 2. Yes, student. You got D value, student. Next to find out A value. Here two equation is there, student. You take any equation. Nodi D value find out madadre. Next
A equals 8.
I take first equation. A plus 2D equal 4. D value substitute here, student. A plus 2 into D. D value how much? Minus 2 equal 4. So A multiply plus into minus minus 2 twos are 4 equal 4. A equal 4 minus 4 you take this side plus 4. A equal 4 plus 4 equals 8. Yes, student, A equals 8 and D equal minus 2. But question what, student? Which term is equal to 0? Yeah, term to 0 on the continue. Use AN formula, student. AN equals A plus N minus 1 into D. Say first to write formula. Yes, student. AN I don't know. I will take 0. Last term 0 on the target. Equals A value how much? 8. Plus which term I don't know. See, find out N value. N minus 1. D value how much is this, student? Minus 2. Friends, 0 as it is. Plus 8 you take this side. Minus 8 equals N minus 1 into minus 2. Friends, 0 minus 8 equals what? Minus 8 divided by minus 2 equals N minus 1. See, get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 fours are 4. Friend, minus 1 you take this side plus 1 equals N. Friend, N equal 4 plus 1 5. Tell us, student, which term is equal to 0? Fifth term is equal to 0. I think A5 equals 0. See, this one is what answer. Yes, student, any doubts?
No, sir.
Sir, can you repeat again?
Okay, question barkanideenappa?
Yes, sir.
Simple way pa. Third term. Question what? Third and ninth terms of the AP. Third term it is denoted by A3. Ninth term it is denoted by A9. Third term value is given 4. Ninth term value minus A. Okay. A3 direct bariyad gottudi. A plus 2D equal 4. A9. A9 means A plus 8. See here 9 is there. Here 1 less agutte 8 baratte. Equals how much? Minus 8. You got two equation. Do subtraction, students. I will take first equation. A plus 8D equal minus 8. Second one, A plus 2D equal 4. Subtract ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ sign changes ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. Here plus is there, you take minus. Here plus is there, you take minus. Plus is there, you take minus. See, plus A minus A cancel. 8 minus 2 equals 6D. Minus 8 minus 4 equal minus 12. minus 12 divided by 6, 6 ones are 6 twos are, I think D value minus 2. You got D value. Next to find out A value. Here two equation is there. You take any equation. Now you take first equation. A plus 2D equal 4. Now D value substitute here. A as it is plus 2 as it is. D replace which one you write? Minus 2 equal 4. A as it is multiply. Plus into minus. Minus 2 twos are 4 equal 4. Minus 4 you take this side plus 4. 4 plus 4 equals 8. You got A value 8 and D value minus 2. But question what? Which term is equal to 0? Use AN formula. AN equals A plus N minus 1 into D. AN, I will take 0. Equal A value 8. N I don't know. N minus 1. D value how much is there? Minus 2. 0 plus 8 you take this side minus 8 equal remaining as it is. 0 minus 8 to minus 8 divided by minus 2 equal N minus 1. Cancel. 2 ones are 2 fours are minus 1 you take this side plus 1 equals N. N equal 4 plus 1 equals 5. I think which term is equal to 0? Fifth term is equal to 0. See, this one is not answer. Yes, understood part?
Yes, sir.
Yes, student, you want one more or next method?
Sir, next method.
Yes, students, complete part.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Okay, students. Take one next one. Yes, you take one next one, student. The 17th term of an AP. 17th term of an AP. The 17th term of an AP exceeds the 10th term. Exceeds the 10th term by 7. Exceeds the 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. Find the common difference. Find the common difference. Yes, students, simple concept, students. Student, question what? The 17th term of the AP. Right, 17th term it is denoted by A17 is equal 10th term. Student, 10th term it is denoted by A10. Student, exceeds ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ, exceeds ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ plus how much is given student here? 7. You write here 7. Okay, students. Tell first student, A17 equals how much?
A plus
A
16D.
plus 16D.
Yes, A plus 16D equal, A10 equals how much?
A plus 9D.
A plus 9D, friend, plus 7. Friend, A plus 16D plus A, you take this side, minus A plus 9D, you take this side, minus 9D equals 7. Friend, plus A minus A get cancelled. 16D minus 9D equals what? 7D equals 7. Friend, D equals 7 divided by 7 get cancelled. I think D equals 1. Friend, common difference equals how much? 1. See, this one is what answer. Any doubts today?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, students. Friend, you want one more or next method?
Sir,
Sir,
one more.
sir, next method.
One more,
Sir, one more.
Okay, pa. I'll give one more. Yes, students. I'll give one more concept to take part. Friend, 12th term of the AP. 12th term of the AP. 12th term of the AP. 12th term of the AP exceeds the 7th term. Exceeds the 7th term by 20. By 20. Find the common difference. Find the common difference. Yes, student, same procedure, student, you find out. Pa.
Sir, D equals 4.
Very good, 100% correct. Yes, remaining students, I'll give 1 minute time, 1 or 2 minutes. You got answers, students?
Sir, 5.
sir, 4.
4, pa, 5 4
D is equal to 4.
Sir, 4D.
Good. D equal 4, correct. Yes, remaining students complete part.
Yes, sir.
Okay, any doubts, students?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay, students. Correct answer D equals 4. Yes, student, you take for next one. The fifth term of an AP. Student, the fifth term of an AP is 20. The fifth term of an AP is 20. And the sum of the seventh and 11th term is, and sum of the 7th and 11th term is 64. Sum of the 7th and 11th term is 64. Find the common difference. Find the common difference. Find the common difference. Okay, students. Say this one is what question? Simple concept, student. Question what? The fifth term of an AP. Friend, fifth term, it is noted by A5. Equals how much is given? 20. Okay, student. Fifth term value equals 20. After a question, the sum of the 7th and 11th term. Student, 7th term, it is noted by A7. Sum means what? Addition. 11th term, it is noted by A11. E equals 64. But find the common difference. I think D equal question mark.
Sir, D equals 3.
Very good. Yes, good. Friend, A5. A5 equals how much, student? A plus 4D equals 20. You got first equation. Help us, student. A7. A7 equals
A plus
A
6.
plus 60.
very good. A plus 6D. A11.
A plus
10. Plus 10D.
A plus 10.
Plus 10D equals how much, student? 64. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, friend. A plus 10D equals 64. Yes, friend. A plus A equals 2A plus 10 plus 6 equals 16D equals 64. Friend, simplest form. 2, 16, 64. Add tables in the divide ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 2 ಇಂದ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡಿ 2 2 cancel. A 2 8s are 16, 8D. 2 3s are 2 2s. I think this one is what? First equation. See, this one is what? Second equation. Do subtraction, students. Okay, first I will take bigger value. A plus 8D equals 32. Next one, student. A plus 4D equals 20. Subtract ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ sign changes ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Plus is there, you take minus. Plus is there, you take minus. Here plus is there, you take minus. Plus A minus A get cancelled. Friend, 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 equals how much?
4D.
4D equal 32 minus 20.
20. 12.
12. Good. Friend, D equal 12 divided by 4. 4 1s are 4 3s are. I think common difference equals 3. See, this one is what answer. Yes, student, any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, students. Student, you want one more or next method?
One more, sir.
Okay. Yes, students, complete pa?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, students, I'll give one more question, same concept. Take part. The ninth term of an AP. The ninth term of an AP is minus 32. The ninth term of an AP is minus 32. And the sum of the 11th and 13th term is 11th and 13th term is minus 94. Minus 94. Find the common difference. Find the common difference. Find the common difference. Yes,
Sir,
please.
-5.
What for common difference equals how much?
Sir, D equals -5.
Very good, very good. Wait, pa. Remaining students do pa tell pa. Right, -5 correct or wrong? Yes, remaining students, I'll give 2 minutes, 2 or 3 minutes. You tell pa answer.
Sir, D is equal to -5.
Okay.
Sir, can you say lesson name and exercise, sir?
Arithmetic progression pa. Arithmetic progression, second exercise pa.
Yes, sir.
ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೇನೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? Yes, remaining student, you got answer. Any doubt, pa?
Sir, what's the answer?
-5. Yes. Yes, any doubt, pa?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes. Friend, ಯಾರಿಗಾರ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Simple concept, man. Ninth term, it is denoted by A9. A9 equal -32. And 11th term, it is denoted by A11. Sum of 11th and 13th term. Sum means what? Addition. 13th term, it is denoted by A13. Equals -94. A9 means A plus AD equal -32. A11, A plus 10D. Student, ಯಾರು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಯಾರಿಗಾರು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರೆಯೋದು?
No, sir.
Okay. Student, A13, tell by A13 equals
A plus 12D.
A plus 12D.
A plus 12D equal -94. Student, A plus A equals 2A plus 10 plus 12 equals how much? 22D equal -94. So in simplest form, divided by 2 on both sides. 2 get cancelled. A plus 2 11s are equal -2 4s are 8 remaining 1 2 7s are.
47.
Yes, good. Friend, this is my first equation. This one is my second equation. Do subtraction, students. Yes, I'll take second equation. A plus 11D equal -47. Next one, student. A plus AD equals -32. Now sign changes, student. Here plus is there, you take minus. Here plus is there, you take minus. Minus is there, you take plus. I think plus A minus A get cancelled. Help us, student. 11 minus 8 equals how much? 3, 3D. At -47 plus 32.
-15.
-15.
-15. D equal -15 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3 5s are. I think D equal -5. See, this one is what answer. Okay, students. Yes, students, complete part.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, student. Take one next one. Next method. If the numbers x plus 3 comma 2x plus 1 and x minus 7 are in AP. Find the value of x. Are in AP. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. Yes, students. Yes, simple concept, student. 2 minutes. Student, textbook problem plus important problem, student. ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಎರಡು ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೇನೆ. Okay, student. Question what? Here 3 terms is given. First term, second term, third term are in AP. Student, when by AP, students? A2 minus A1. Common difference same is there. That one is what? AP. A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2. Correct? ಅವನ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಎಪಿ ಅಂತ ಅವನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ. A2 minus A1 equal A3 minus A2. But which one you find out here? X value find out, student. Substitute, student. A2 value how much is there? 2x plus 1 minus A1 value how much is there, student? X plus 3 equals A3 value how much? X minus 7 minus, student, A2 value 2x plus 1. Friends,
equals -3.
okay, student. Okay, good, very good. 2x plus 1 as it is. Now multiply, friend. Plus into minus minus x. Plus into minus minus 3. Only sign multiply, student. Equal x minus 7 as it is. Plus into minus minus 2x. Plus into minus minus 1. Friend, you are not given this what? 2x minus 1x equals what? 1x. 1 minus 3 equal minus 2 equal, friend, x, you are not given this 1x minus 2x equals what? Minus x. Minus 7 minus 1 equals what? Minus 8. Friend, grouping x one side or number one side. Friend, x minus x you take this side plus x equal minus 8. Friend, minus 2 you take this side of plus 2. X plus x equal 2x equal minus 8 plus 2 minus 6. Good. X equal minus 6 by 2. 2 1s are 2 3s are. I think x equal minus 3. See, this one is what answer. Yes, student, any doubts?
Sir, can
No,
you
sir.
repeat? I have doubt, sir.
Okay. Simple concept part. See, this one is what question. 3 terms is given. Are in AP in the Kelidar. When by AP, the common difference same is there. That one is what? AP. So which one is the common difference? A2 minus A1. Right here, A2 minus A1 equal A3 minus A2. Both are equal.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Sir, the
Tell me.
number given x plus 3 is a 2x plus 1 is a2 like that. And all, how can we consider a2 and a1, sir?
The basic ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಪ್ಪ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಗೆ A1 ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಗೆ A2 ಅಂತ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಗೆ A3 ಅಂತ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಗೆ A4, ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಗೆ A5 ಅಂತ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
ಅದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yes, right. A2 value how much is there? 2x plus 1 minus A1 value x plus 3 equal A3 value x minus 7 minus A2 value 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1 as it is. Now multiply plus into minus minus plus into minus minus. Only sign multiply. X minus 7 as it is. Minus into plus to minus 2x plus into minus minus 1. Proper 2x minus 1x to x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1 minus 3 equal minus 2 equal 1x minus 2x equals minus x. Minus 7 minus 1 minus 8. Grouping x one side or number one side. X as it is minus x you take this side of plus x equal minus 8 minus 2 you take this side plus 2. X plus x equals what? 2x equal minus 8 plus 2 minus 6. Minus 6 by 2, 2 1s are 2 3s are, I think x equal minus. See this one is what?
Okay, sir.
You want one more, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, students, complete part.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Take for next one, same procedure. If the numbers x minus 2, 4x minus 1 and 5x plus 2, 5x plus 2 are in AP, find the value of x. Find the value of x. Same procedure, student, you find out.
Sir, x equals 1.
Wait for it.
Sir.
2 minutes per check ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್.
Okay, okay, sir.
Good, x equals 1 correct. Very good, x equals 1. Yes, remaining students, I'll give 2 minutes, 2 or 3 minutes, no problems.
Sir, x is equal to 1.
Very good, x equals 1 correct.
X is equals to 1, sir.
Very good. Okay. Yes. Remaining student, you got answer?
Yes, sir.
Boardman ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ student ಈ problem?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, students. Correct answer, x equals 1, students. Yes, students, complete pa?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Okay, student, take one. Next one. Which term of the AP? Which term of the AP? Which term of the AP? 3, 15, 27, 39, dash 3, 15, 27, 39, dash will be 132, more than its 54th term. More than its 54th term. Question mark. More than its 54th term. Question mark. Yes, students. I think this one is what question. Simple concept, student. 2 minutes. Listen here. But first to find out A value. But A means what? First term. How much is there first term here? 3. But D means what? Common difference. Common difference means A2 minus A1. Second term minus first term. So A2 value 15. A1 value. Selva.
Sir, 65th term.
Very good. 100% correct. Yes, friend. 15 minus 3.
Sir, you are on mute, sir.
Yes, students. First term equals 3. Common difference equals how much? 12. So question what? 54th term ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Friend, 54th term it is denoted by A54. Okay, students. Say 54th term it is denoted by what? A54. Yes, student. I'll give an example. Now.
So your voice is muted.
Okay, Padu. Call ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Okay. Yes, student, simple concept. Now clear, student? ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ವಾಯ್ಸ್?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Student, question what? 54th term. 54th term it is denoted by A54. Student, ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ 54th place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. For example, 54th place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾನು 900 kg ಇದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. How many kgs? 900 kgs. ಭಯಪಡಬೇಡಿ. 900 kg, but here not given. More than 132 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. I think ಇವಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ? More than 132 ಅಂದ್ರೆ plus 132 ಆಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ ನೋಡಿ, 54th ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ 900 kg ಇದ್ದೆ. ಇವಾಗ 132 kg ನಾನು ಆಡ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ 54th ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಜಂಪ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಯಾವ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಜಂಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. That place is not given, it is denoted by AN. AN equals A54 plus 132. Friend, any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Student, an formula is there, student. A plus n minus 1 into d. First rate formula. Yes, student. A54 means A plus 53d plus 132. Now A and D value substitute here, student. A value 3. N, I don't know which place. You find out n value. Student, D value how much is there? 12 equals A value 3 plus 53 into, friend, D value how much? 12 plus 132. Yes, student, 3 as it is, you write. Multiply, student. 12 into n or 12n minus 12 ones are 12. Student, 12 ಈ 2 terms ಗೆ multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ equals 3 plus, now multiply, student. 53 into 12 equals how much? All student, multiply 53 into 12.
636.
Very good. 636. Last how much is the student? 132. Yes, student. 12n as it is. 3 minus 12 equals how much? Minus 9. Equal, add, student. 636 plus 132 plus 3 equals how much? 771. Correct? Add 636 plus 132 plus 3 equals how much?
771.
Good. Friend, 12n equals 771 minus 9. You take this side plus 9. Yes, friend, 12n equals 771 plus 9 or 780. Friend, n equals 780 divided by 12. Divide, friend. 2 6s are 2 3s are 2 9s are 0. 6 1s are 6 6s are 36. Remaining 3 6 5s are. Friend, n equals 65. See, this one is what answer. Yes, friend, first to 54th place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. 132 kg ನನಗೆ ಆಡ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಯಾವ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 65th place ಗೆ ಹೋದೆ. See, this one is what answer. Yes, student, any doubts?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Right, pa, after you want one more?
Sir, next concept.
First you write, after this. Yes, friends. Complete, pa?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
student. Today I'll give one homework problem, students. Try ಮಾಡಿ. In case any doubt is there, you ask next class, students.
Okay, sir.
Display ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, students. Yes, students. I think 12th one homework problem, students. Right, for 12th one, two APs have the same common difference. The difference between their 100th term is 100. What is the difference between their 1000th term?
Sir, can I say the answer?
Answer 100.
Sir, can I?
Shelba?
Sir, 100.
Yeah, 100% correct. Remaining student, you try, students. In case any doubt is there, you ask next class.
Sir, give another one problem, sir.
Same problem or different method?
Sir, any problem, another one homework.
Okay, okay. First you write this one, after I'll give.
Sir, finished.
Wait. Two remaining students write.
Sir, finished.
Okay, students. Remaining students complete, pa?
Yes, sir, done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll give one more students. You try, Madi. Okay, students. I'll give one more question, students. If the 10th term of the AP, if the 10th term of the AP is 52, if the 10th term of the AP is 52, if the 10th term of the AP is 52, and the 17th term, is 20 more than the 13th term. More than the 13th term, find AP. More than the 13th term, find AP. Okay, students. Say two problems, homework problem. Yes, student. Today class. Any doubt, students?
No, sir.
Okay. Thank you, student. Bye, students.
Thank
Bye,
you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank